a wireless remote control socket. We have number one, they all comes attached together. What's up guys, welcome back to iFix Tech. If you follow us for a while, you know that we fix a lot of different devices, but from time to time we like to do some review on products that we think are good. So here we have a wireless remote control socket, and this one is for HBN. In the box it says that we have 5 remote sockets with 2 remote control. The box itself looks very simple, but let's see what we find in there. Opening the box, we find different all of them are attached together. We have 5 wireless socket. We have number 1, and they all comes attached together. Number 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So on the box we have the manual, which is really cool, but this product is really simple. Many things that you will find on the manual, but here also we find out the batteries. Guess they are for the controllers. So we have 2 of them. So here are the 5 sockets. There are many reasons why do you want to use one of these. Maybe you have something connected that you wanna, make it small. Here's a control. It has its number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for on and off. Here are some of the specification on every socket that you can see. Also, something very cool is that it is certified by Intertech. Very cool. Also, if you compare like the way it's built, it's really solid. I like that. It doesn't feel too heavy, but it doesn't feel like cheap. Let's put the battery. It comes with a battery. This is a very strange battery. It's a 12 volt 23 amps battery. I haven't seen one of these before, and it is really powerful. Normally a regular battery is how much, 3 volts, something like that. It's not AAA, it's not AA, it's a really small battery. This is 12, which is really strong to be that small. So let's put it on the control. Alright, so we just connect 1 and 2 to the power source, and if you're able to hear, let's press on number 1, off. I'm pretty sure you can hear that click clack. Let's do the same thing for number 2. I didn't hear the second click. Number 2. Of course, that is because you need to turn on the switch. So it comes with a manual on switch, also a learning switch, which I believe per the manual is so you reconfigure the buttons with the socket. So let's press it. Yeah, we hear that one. Yep. So now let's do some tests on devices to this and see how it works. According to the manual, this says that you can use the control 100 feet away from the socket. I guess it has to be, something with the walls and stuff like that. Let's do some testing. So we have already plugged some device. In this case, I have a bed lamp on number 1, humidifier here on number 2. So number 1 will be my bed lamp. Let's press number 1. Here we go. Off for number 1. Number 2, which is the humidifier, it turns off. Oh well, that humidifier, I was able to hear the click, but this needs to be pressed anyway. This is one of those devices that when you cut the power, you need to press the power button itself on the device to make it work. So for this, it doesn't work really good. But as you can see right there, it got power. We press number 2, it got the power. Another example, let's say that you want to connect your coffee machine just like this. It's in socket number 1, and I don't know, if you want your coffee to be ready when you wake up and you have your remote next to you, you just I guess you press it and you will get your coffee ready. I already off on this one on, and your coffee machine will start working. Or let's say that you want your fireplace to be smart. I just connect it to the socket, and you can always, number one, get it on and off with this one. On this case, when you're connecting, heaters or stuff like that, on that you want to make sure that it complies with the electrical information on the back of the socket. There are many ways where you can use these guys. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the links down below. See you in the next one.